we all camp in Guwahati and we try to arrange mainly for his cremation, return of the body, etc. So the way we walk in the entire election period, we expected a very good result. But last 3 days was a really it was a setback for all of us. So perhaps we will not get the result the way we expected. But even then, our result will be better than last year.
So the NDA will form the council?
All are NDA. Agrama Mohilari is also NDA. Pramod Guru is also NDA. BJP is also NDA. So Congress will not get any seat, that is sure. So all the 40 seats will be divided by different NDA partners only. But only thing, we cannot have all three with us. We'll have any two. Either UPPL, BPF will form government, or BPF, BJP will form government, or BJP, UPPL will form government, because all three may not be possible in one place.
It means a BJP alliance will form the government.
BJP will be, I am sure BJP will definitely be there, but the result will determine how things will go. So tomorrow we'll come to know, and that result actually was very important politically, but we have sacrificed in a way BTC because of this unfortunate incident in last 3 days. So that was a real setback for us.